Yo, they got the shoes. You know the shoes? Were these purchased from the website, or where'd you end up getting them from?
I don't know. Favorite gift.
Shoes, right? Get them. Those are custom. How much are they? I made them.
You made
Santa
it.
Cruz.
I like the idea of it.
Thank you. I took the
They
cage.
took the lace and
I
put it
took
down
the
here.
cage off.
What?
I unstitched the
Some
boots,
shoes there.
and then I cut
What's
the
this
sole
logo?
off,
You
and I
ever seen this
re-glued
one?
them under the sole,
Mm-mm.
and then I dyed them pink. I'll think about it for sure.
There's a Halloween Horror Night shirts.
Really?
Yeah.
Woman's.
So be on the lookout for Universal stuff,
They don't
guys.
find any rod sales Disney stuff like crazy on and whatnot, so you gotta throw them a bone. Diamond. What the heck is diamond?
Asking, he would know.
Diamond right here.
I know,
what-
but what is it? Is that a good name? I've never seen any
How much
diamond.
was this one for?
$5.
$5. Diamond's kind of
Is that what the brand is?
Diamond's the brand. Yeah.
How much are the t-shirts?
2, 3, depending on the shirt.
These two?
$2 each.
Okay. True Fear comes. So we check this out. This is cool. Halloween Horror Night. So True Fear comes within. It's just cool. It's Halloween. It puts all the from 2018 Stranger Things, Poltergeist. It's cool. Halloween. And on this one, this is 2017. Okay.
What's the back hit?
And then here's the back
Okay,
hit
so
for this.
it's all- I see.
Yeah. Saw.
Pretty
Yeah, they're just horror movie stuff. Like horror fans enjoy these. Do you have any more?
Not specifically those, no.
Okay. You got any more video game stuff? I see the Pac-Man.
No, we have the arcade inside. These are just, we're extra panels of it.
Yeah. That's cool.
Thank you.
Kevin, this is you, man.
Oh, it's me. I'm picking out what other people want. Oh, dude, how cool is that?
You can hang these on the wall. Use these in your shed. I'm being dead serious. 20
Now,
bucks?
But these are from those
This
little games that they were selling at Walmart last year.
Correct. These are the
Those are
sides though.
panels for
Yeah,
them.
but
One for both.
but
It's kind of cool. Though.
yeah, it's a cool conversation piece. It's a cool wall hanger. I mean, even if you don't have the arcade, it's
I might put it in my UK bag.
that's what I'm saying. That would be a good fit, dude.
do that.
10 bucks each.
Yeah.
I would pick those up in a heartbeat for you. No, not for resale. That would be for you.
See, that's why I thought.
That thing is, I might need change.
Such an amateur.
Oh, really?
I don't have any ones either.
Oh, yeah.
Got anything good?
No, little Tommy shirt, but
It looks like it's split all over.
yeah. You think- what is this?
It might be 8.5. Yeah, I've always fluctuated 8.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good rest of your
You
day.
too.
Me and him are nobodies again.
Yeah.
We don't have 260K.
Well, let's make you someone to.
I did one of the videos for them, look, because they didn't know what a shower beer was. I said, how do you not know what a shower beer is? When you have a hard day at work, you
Yeah.
come home, and he goes, I don't want soap in my... I'm like, no, put it over here.
When I played college football, I'd go back from the games and literally would grab 2 beers, walk right in the shower, and then that was. You're my type of people.
Yeah, you can push that out of the way.
How much are the hats?
$3.
$3.
You have been this far.
Like a grandma, like I saw.
Yeah, she hates wearing them with them on. So.
I don't call him.
Would you guys do $2 a piece instead of 3 if I buy a bunch?
David?
Would you do $2 a piece if I buy a bunch?
Oh, I thought you
Cool.
carried it on.
All right, I got 5. All right, cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, it's not hers.
How you doing, man?
Not bad, not bad. You guys are hard to find, man. Yeah, they're hard to find. Oh, Dad, was it? Hey.
Well, on the part, one thing they put the building number
Oh, okay.
on one area. So.
What'd y'all look at? What'd y'all see us at?
Garage sale app. I really like this Los Angeles Dodgers jacket. Unfortunately, you can look at the stitching on this, and this jacket was definitely a fake.
For 5.
Think earlier.
When's the last time this was used?
Never been out the box.
Never been out of the box? It's brand new. Hey, you get 75 on this. Would you consider 40 for it?
Give me 50 short.
Yeah.
What you thinking?
Yeah. I'll pass it at 50, man. But I would do 40, man, if you change your mind.
Brand new.
Yeah, I know. I have a reselling business where I'm gonna put it in my store and stuff like that. But see what else we can find. Do you guys have any more video game stuff at all? Or is that it?
I didn't bring my
Where's
sister.
the...
They got bring my thing. I do actually. My son about to go grab
Okay,
it.
cool.
I bought them too.
Can I see those shoes? Those. What do you ask on these ones?
Excuse me?
What do you ask on these shoes?
Probably like 20.
20. Love the Air Max. How much are your games?
$3.
$3.
Oh, this
What'd you do if I get all that? He has the music blasting really loud at this point, so I gotta talk over it. I asked if he would do a bundle deal for the amplifier, the 2 video games, and the pair of Nikes. He told me $60 if I want to take it all. So it was a great deal, so I jumped all over it. Been busy today?
It was busy this morning. And you sure guys brag about YouTube channels too?
What's that?
and you sure guys come here brag about YouTube channels?
No.
Okay, so we're good then.
Okay, Floyd. How much are the shirts?
Do $1 a piece for the shirts.
$1 piece.
Probably sell for 20. Robert collection. Also got this polo one there.
No, that's cool. How much for the jacket?
20 for the jacket, or you can
Blank New York. I'm not familiar with the brand. Is this supposed to have a belt strap on the bottom of this? Looks like it's missing it. Because I literally just I looked online.
it?
Yeah.
It's a good question. I see what you're saying.
Yeah. How much did you have in this?
Oh, yeah, 20.
20? 20. Would you consider 10 for it?
Yeah.
How much? Dude, how much do you have in these shirts?
Oh, those are 3 piece.
3 piece.
Yeah. Let's get change here.
So this would be
Yes.
8.
That's a 20. Did you? So
10.
she's gonna do 10 for this. Can't find the belt.
Okay.
And I think you have 2 here, so you're running 12.
Yeah. Want to just make an even 20 and do that one with it?
Yeah.
That way I don't have to change.
Yeah.
That way you don't need change?
Yep.
All right.
Sweet. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, man. Thank you. Yo, they got the shoes. You know the shoes?
Morning.
Morning. How much are these?
30.
30. Future Rod here. Now, if you're not familiar with the Mischief red boots, about a year ago, Lil Wayne, Sierra, Seth Rollins, a bunch of other celebrities started wearing these boots and they went viral. So they brand new. They sell anywhere from like probably $250 to $300. They had them at this yard sale, but the lady was being super shady about it. So
Yeah, true.
would you take 20 for him?
No,
No.
no, sorry.
Do you have the box for him?
I don't.
Were these purchased from the website or where'd you end up getting them from?
I don't know. They were a gift, so I really don't know. They were a gift.
gift for my son.
Yeah, I was just trying to get more
But he
information
never
on.
used them, but I mean, I figure like they're even
Yeah.
cute for costume or whatever. I also have them up online, so
Yeah.
I mean, it's not.
They're cool. At the end of our conversation, she did tell me that the boots were fake, but it was just weird that she beat around the bush the entire time we were at the yard sale. Won't give me any information on the boots. On our way back to the Trash or Cash event, me and Paul stopped at this local flea market there, and I think I made a questionable purchase. Ooh. $3?
You can take two for $5.
Do you have more of these at all?
And this, I just have this color.
Okay. I bought this hat for myself. I am a huge Hulk Hogan fan, so I thought this was really cool. This stand has the music blasting, so I got to talk over it, but I found this really cool Marvel alarm clock. I ended up buying it for $5. We ended up selling it later on that same day on Whatnot for $17. So it was a quick flip. How much is that?
Make me an offer.
I don't know. What would they go for?
$5.
$5 for that?
You know what that is?
It cleans pool walls.
Yeah. No, golf ball.
Golf balls?
Yeah. Sorry, I'd rather tell you the truth than lie.
It's you sure it's golf balls?
I
Has a-
thought it was golf ball.
It's for billiards.
Oh.
Cleans pool balls.
Golf ball.
Does it work?
Yeah.
And you said $5 for it?
Yeah. You go over here and plug it in.
Oh crap, it's heavy. Where at? Where do you have an outlet here?
No, the guy next to me.
The guy next to you will? Okay. Unfortunately, I carried this thing all the way across the flea market to plug it in, and all the outlets were being used by the vendors, so I wasn't able to test it. But at $5, I couldn't go wrong on this. I can at least sell it for parts. The cheapest one listed online right now is going for hundreds of dollars. I paid the $5 for the ball cleaner. The worst part is I had to carry this thing all the way across the flea market, and it was. My question to you guys: would you guys have bought the ball cleaner? I mean, the cheapest comps online were going for a couple $100. It is another big item that I really don't want to deal with. It may sit around for a while, but at $5, it's worth the risk. Worst case scenario, I just donate to Goodwill or something like that. But an absolute blast picking with Paul, the Philly Flipper. If you guys do not follow him, make sure you guys go check out his page, give him a sub. What were your thoughts about the lady with the red boots? Have you guys ever been to a yard sale and you know that they're trying to sell you something that's not real? So let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate all the support. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.